Guys, today we're gonna unbox this black box which is fragile. So we're gonna use this cutter and slowly cut it. Oh, this is sharp. Don't play with these kids. There we go. See something looks like
masugat yung hands mo. Sugat yung hands mo.
Okay.
Sa kabila.
Sorry.
Yan.
Hirap pag-cut naman ito. Lord ko nga.
Yung mini fan na in-order ko. Oh, sige.
Oh. Oh. Ang lagi naman ito. You assemble this?
Okay.
Okay, this is not mini at all. This is so big, bro. Complicated naman ito. If we put this here. Huh? What's so complicated?
Walang lock yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ito, wala. Walang lock?
Walang lock?
Sige.
Let's keep it on.
Ito, ano to? Para saan to?
Oh, so it's supposed to clip on. Okay. So you just have to clip this, bro? Oh my god, man. This is the most insecure fan ever made, bro. Hirap mag-close naman ito, mami.
Wait lang. There you go.
This is the finished product. It is a fan. It's supposed to be mini, but it's very big. It took us a couple of time to make it. So that's why we skipped a bit of the video. So yeah. This is the mini fan. Bye.